Hi, I'm Abriel Manali, and today I'm going to talk about the Arduino potentiometer. Here I'm using Arduino Nano as my brain and the potentiometer itself, which is connected to 5-volt power source through this power source through this yellow wire, and the other leg of it is connected to ground through this black wire. The orange wire is the output, which is connected to the analog pin A2 right here. So for part 2A, we're supposed to read the raw signal of a potentiometer and show the output as a numerical value and graphically. For this, let's see this code. This is a non-return type function, so we're using void, and in this line, this is this initializing serial communication at 9600 bits per second, and the same thing is the non-return type for loops, and this line reads the sensor value from the value from the pin from the analog pin A2, and this just prints out the value of sensor in the console or the monitor right here, and this one delays it for 1 milliseconds. Now let's upload the code first, and let's see the monitor right here. We can see 1023 as this is 10 bits of data. It is supposed to be from 0 to 1023 of total 1024. So if we rotate this, we can see it decreasing value, and it goes to 0, 0. So if we see this in plots, we can see like this. This is decreasing, and this is increasing from 0 to 1023. So this is number 2A. For number 2B, we're changing the potentiometer signal from 0 to 1023 to 0 to 5 volts, and we're using float variable type to display decimal right here. So let's see the code now. Here, this is the function to convert the data to decimals right here, and this is the same non-return type function. This initializes serial communication. This is non-return type function for loop, and this line reads the analog pin number A2, and this gives the float value or the decimal value, which I mean compares the range from 0 to 1023 and 0 to 5. So this data is displayed in the console or the monitor, serial monitor right here, uh, and it is delayed 1 second. So if we upload this code, and if we see the monitor, we'll see two values. One is analog and another one is voltage. So if we rotate this, the maximum should be 5 volts and minimum should be 0. 0, as you can see, both of them are 0. So if I go to 1023, the voltage will be 5 volts, as we can see it there. And if we see plots for it, it's the same thing. It's at maximum right now. And if we go down, as we can see there, it's also going down. That means it's working. Now for number 2C, let's go here. At first we're same thing. We're initializing pin analog pin number A2, and this one is initializing sensor value and initializing output value. Here we're initializing serial communication, and this is non-return type function. So, and here this sensor value reads the analog pin A2, and this output value again maps the sensor value from 1023 to 0 to 1023 to 0 to 5, which we can see and print in the console or monitor, and it is delayed 2 milliseconds. So if we upload it and see in our monitor, as we can see, there's 0 and 0. This time we're not supposed to get decimals, so we have to rotate more to get see the output value change. So yeah, we see 1, now 2, now 3, now 4, and now 5. So, and if we go to plots for it, something, we'll just rotate it and see the plot, and we can see it decreasing to 0. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. Thank you.